First cornfield of the year. We got 40 acres at Santa Fe. It's coming out today. Fingers crossed nothing happens to the combine. We'll get her done. Moo! Can't farm without a grain cart. Four farms now selling birdseed. It is the day before Thanksgiving. That November 20th or 9th, I don't know what day it is. It's one of those days, the day before Thanksgiving. Anyways, forget I said that. Combining, we got a 2388 and an 8-row corn head knocking this corn out. We planted this May 28th, 100 pounds of anhydrous before we planted, and then we came back and wide dropped another 70 pounds of liquid with the Hagee, and it looks spectacular. I mean, this field is kicking ass this year. Ears are nice and big. It's LG 7394, or producer 7394. So that's now LG 2620. Looks good. It is wet. I'm slipping and sliding. We're gonna get her combine. We're getting pretty late into the afternoon, just getting started. So hopefully finish up tomorrow. There's rain coming in Friday. Other than that, I'll just show you a video of the combine because I know that's all you want to see. Wet. It's wet, it's wet, it's wet, it's wet, but it's working. For example, check this out. Steering wheel, corn reel for corn that's fell down, and our joystick, which controls how fast we move forward. Pretty fancy stuff farmers got going on.